Hello, my dear students. Hope everyone is doing. In today's math session, we will be seeing the new concept that is least common multiple. In the last classes, we have studied regarding the highest common factor that is HCF, and also we have seen its word problem. Now today, we will start with a new concept that is least common multiple. So let's start. Now children, what exactly is least common multiple? Right? HCF is highest common factor. So here you have least common multiple. In the HCF, we were finding the factors. Now here least common multiple is much easier as compared to HCF. So as like we will start from multiple. Now multiple means what? You have to write the table. So let's take an example. Let's start finding the LCM of the numbers 4 and 5. Now if you want to find the LCM of 4 and 5, what you're going to do? You will be writing the table of 4 and 5. Let's see how. The multiples of 4 are, see, write the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and so on. How many times you can go after 40 also? 4 elevens are is 44, 4 twelves are is 48 and so on you can continue. And then next number is 5. So start writing the table of 5. The multiples of 5 are so on. You will carry on. Now you wrote multiple. Now who is next? We have to find the common. Now write the common multiples, children. Find which numbers are common. Like see here, the first number which you are getting common is 20, 20. Write the 20 here. Like see, before that no number is matching. Then go ahead. Next you will be getting 40, 40. So if you continue writing the table, you may get many more common multiples. But firstly, after writing the common multiple, come to the next term. It is least. Least means what, children? Least means smallest. You have to find the smallest. Now, out of this common multiples, who is the smallest? The smallest number is no one else than you are having it as 20. So, the least common multiple of 4 and 5 is going to be 20. This is nothing but the LCM of the numbers 4 and 5. So, children, what you are going to do? Multiple means you are going to write the table. Then after writing the table, you are going to find the common terms or numbers in both the tables. And after that, you will go for finding the smallest number. So this is nothing but the least common multiple. Now let's see, children, how we can use it into our daily life. Now, as like it is a Diwali festival is about to come, everyone is busy shopping. So let's take the current example. A shopkeeper, he is selling candles in a packet of 12. What he is doing, in a single packet, he is selling 12 candles. And candle stands in a packet of 8. And the candle stand or the candle holder, he is making a packet of 8 and he is selling. Okay. 12 candles in one packet and 8 stands in one packet. Now, what is the least number of candles and candle stands Preeta should buy so that there will be one candle for each candle stand? Now see, children, there's a girl Preeta who loves candles. She wants to buy it. Now what she wants along with the candle, she wants the stand also. So what she demands to the shopkeeper, that you arrange one stand for one candle and you make a set, and like that you have to sell me. Now what should the shopkeeper do? Now children, the shopkeeper should find the LCM. Now, like for HCF, I gave you the trick, like what it is. Whenever the term maximum, maximum means more. So maximum comes, you have to go for HCF. And when the word such as least comes, least means small, you have to go for LCM. So here the word least is used. So what you have to do? You have to find the LCM of 12 and 8. So let's help the shopkeeper. Now, see children, so what will be the LCM? Firstly, we know we have to write the table of 12 and 8. So come on, let's start writing. It will be 12, 24, 36, 48, so on. 8, 16. We have written the table of 12 and 8. After that, children, you have to find the common multiples. Now, instead of finding the common multiples, let's find the smallest common multiple. What is it? Now see, 12, 24, 8, 16, 24. The smallest common number out of this is 24. So the least common multiple is going to be 24. So the least number of candles and candle stand that Preeta should buy is 24. Means what she can do, the shopkeeper can arrange it into like, see, two boxes of candles, like two boxes of candles. So it will be 12 plus 12, it will be 24. And we have 8 stand in one box of stand. So 8, 8, 8. If she buys 2 packs of candle and 3 packs of the stand, she can exactly get a pair of 24 candles with 24 stands. So this was, like children, the method of finding the LCM. Simply first you have to write the tables of the given number, then you have to find the common multiple, and third step will be you will find the common or the smallest common multiple. Okay, out of the common multiples, whichever is the smallest number, that will be your least common multiple. I hope children, everyone has got today's session very nicely. And if there is any query, any suggestion or any difficulty, you can drop it into the comment section and surely we will work on it. Thank you for being so long.